In this video, I would like to show you how you can check previously filed tax return in KRA website. What you're required to do, just head into your favorite browser and then search for iTax. You shall be taken into this interface. Just click the KRA website, which will direct you into this interface. Then you just need to input your KRA pin here. Then hit continue. You are required to enter your pin here. So I shall just enter mine. You enter yours here. Then do a simple security stamp here, which is 84 minus 11, which is basically 73. Then log in. After logging in, you just need to come to where we have return. Then come to where you have view filed return, which is here. Then you need to choose your tax obligation. My tax obligation is resident individual. Then choose the type of return. So the type of return is original. Then I'll just hit consult. So if you want for a specific year, you shall enter it here. But in my case, I want to check the general one. So I just hit consult. Then I'm being asked, if you want to review returns, then I click OK. Then all the tax returns which I have made for 2024 is the latest here for the past year, since we are in 2025. So I can view it here. So you can see any details which you require here. So you can see any details. I did not have a withholding certificate, so I just filled I didn't have information about the it's called what, balance sheet. So I just have this information which I filled here, and you can see the end result is here. So you can either download it, you can choose to download it, or just view. Then we can go and check for that one for 2021 maybe, and see how it was filed. So the information which I need is the information at the bottom, since I don't have a withholding certificate. So I just need the information at the bottom. So you can see where he filed a refund of 600.59. So this is basically the method which we usually use so you can print it. If you want to print it for any use, you can choose to print it, but in my case I don't need it, so I don't need to print it. So if you want for a specific period, maybe let's assume you need from 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017. So in case you want for a specific period, so I can just input the date, and then let me cancel something. Then I can hit consult. Then I say yes. So you can see the period is here when it was filed. So it was filed. The period was running from 29th August 2017 to 30th June 2021. So I can view. So it is here. Let me scroll to the bottom. So it is here where she filed the liability of 40 or liability of 40 shillings of 0.40 cent. So that is how we usually do. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and also to hit the subscribe button if you get the video helpful. Thank you.